Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a flower dip inspired by Fiona art. So let's jump in and get started. So we're going to be using all Amsterdam acrylic paints today in oxide black, primary magenta, pearl white, brilliant blue, and transparent yellow. And I got these off of Michael's website. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out. And my pouring medium is 60% glue all and 40% water, and you can see the consistency. It's very thin. I mixed all my paints 1:1, so I did 1 ounce paint, 1 ounce of my glue mixture, and then a little bit of water to make it a thinner consistency. For the yellow, I added 2 tablespoons of water, and the other colors I only did 1 tablespoon of water. And I flooded my canvas with that oxide black off camera. I just poured a little bit of black on and tilted it, put my bottle bottom in the middle, and then we're going to start pouring. And what you want to do is kind of pour in the middle of your bottle bottom. And if you mess up and you notice one of your circles is getting a little bit bigger than the others, just go right on that side and add a little bit more. Try to keep your petals as even as possible. And I'm just going to do another layer, same thing, the pearl white, magenta, blue, yellow, and then turn my bottle and then do another layer. And I'm going to go in and just make some little lines with a toothpick here and go in with my paper napkin. It's dry. I didn't wet it at all. Try to find the center. I tilted it a little bit because my canvas wasn't level. You want to make sure your canvas is level for this. And you don't want to press down hard. You're just going to press in spots where you notice where there's no paint and then lift up the corners. And when you do this, you definitely don't want to stop. You want to just go in and lift. And you can take your finger and kind of design the petals a little bit. If you want to move some color into a different spot, just take your finger and glide it over. Glide the colors over each other. Don't push down to the bottom of the canvas. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking a paper towel. I kind of rolled it up into a little ball and dipping it again to make my center of my flower. You can do that over and over if you want, if you don't like how the center turned out. And I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Turned out really pretty. I actually took a private lesson with Fiona, so I've been doing a lot of experimenting with this technique. I know for certain using all Amsterdam paints and the glue mixture will give you results like this. So be sure to try it if you've been having a hard time doing the flower dips. It doesn't have the lacing like Fiona gets. Unfortunately, since we're in different countries, we have different ingredients, but I still think this turned out really pretty. And here's how it dried. Dried really nice, no cracking or pigments breaking up. I've been doing a lot of testing with this technique, and I've been having some problems with the extreme sheen paints. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to post those. They look really nice at first, but then as they dry, I've been running into some problems. So if you guys want to see those, I'll upload them so you can see what I'm talking about, and I can show you what doesn't work. But I know for sure this does work with the Amsterdam paints and the glue mixture. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!